Are you tired of looking at and using your same old phone, which is exactly similar to hundreds and thousands of users with the same device? Do you want to change or customize your phone to give it that different and new look? If the answer to both of these questions is yes, then you would probably want to try out the myAndroid taste test launched by Google. So now Google helps users customize their phones to their liking to give their phones a unique touch. This could be all the way from launchers to wallpapers to icons, the keyboard, all these things that will help your phone look and feel different. And if you're not sure about what you want and are not able to make up your mind, then Google helps you out with the myAndroid taste test that will ask you a series of questions that will help you decide what kind of customization would be right for you. Just to be clear, you're going to have the same phone, the hardware of it is not going to change in any way, but the user interface, the way you use the phone, can be changed or customized to your liking to give it more of a personalized touch. So I'm going to be taking this test on my phone. I haven't taken it yet. From what I've read, the taste test has about 10 to 15 questions which I have to answer, and depending on the result, Google gives me suggestions and also links to download these suggestions from the Play Store. So let's get started. So these are some questions that it's asking. As you can see, these are not direct questions as to what we want. Rather, it's asking us what we like, and depending on that, it will probably give me suggestions later. Let me just pick what I want right now and move on till the end and see what we get. So yes, as I assumed, it does give me suggestions based on the likes and interests. All these suggestions also do have links to download from the Play Store. Let me go ahead and download all of them and see how it turns out to be. Now that I've downloaded them, I'll start testing these apps right away. One thing I noticed is that it does take some getting used to, and we'll probably have to personalize these apps to our liking, because at the moment, if we just use them directly, they are a bit raw. So I try to use the best features of each app. This is how my home screen looked before, with the simplistic LG user interface, which doesn't even have an app drawer, although there is an option to select it. But anyhow, overall it's not too bad. I feel it's okay, maybe a little bland, but it's quite simple and very easy to use. And this is how it looks right now after making these customizations. The main thing here, if you notice, is the launcher. Google suggested me the Evie Launcher, which is really cool. It's very funky and modern looking, and it saves me a lot of time. Like I mentioned, it's got a very modern approach. You swipe down for search, where you can search everything on your phone. The Google search is also integrated into it, so it also gives web options. You can swipe up for all the apps, which is in a list format named alphabetically. Best part of this theme is that it's quite easy to access, just a couple of swipes up and down. So that's very cool. It saves me a lot of time. Though I'm not saying that I love it already, but I will keep it on for a while and see how things go. It does seem nice at the moment. Here I've coupled the theme of the Evie Launcher with Delta icons, replacing a few of the app icons, which also I seem to really like. Again, not all Delta icons are good, but there are quite a few good ones. These icons are definitely different and they give a breath of fresh air. I also downloaded this app for wallpapers called Backdrop, where I got this cool wallpaper which I really like. I will keep using this wallpaper even if I don't use the other apps. Also, overall things look promising. It seems fresh. The look and feel of the phone do seem different, and the myAndroid concept does seem like a good idea. I do get this personalized feeling while using it, and there is this unique factor. However, I will have to use these for a while longer to see if I actually do end up using them in the long run. Especially the Evie Launcher. I will have to get used to that, but it does seem cool and I can customize it to my liking. So that was the myAndroid taste test. I really like this concept. I do get a personalized feeling after using these apps. I'll leave the link to the test in the description, so maybe you guys could give it a shot. Of course, the results will be different for every person depending on your interests and likes. So try it out, comment below and let us know what suggestions you were recommended. Also let us know if you like the concept or if you hated it. So that was all for now. Subscribe to Symple Reviews for daily tech videos. Also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys next time.